A few days before Christmas in 2019, Joe Young was called to a sheriff's DUI checkpoint in Imperial Beach to pick up his son. Young didn't have his ID, so the deputies wouldn't let him take his son home. Then deputies tried to arrest him and ended up tasing him. A taser barb hit a lighter in Young's pocket and he caught on fire.
I'm on fire, man. I'm on fire, dude. I'm on fire, man. I'm on fire, bro.
Deputies stomped on him to put the fire out. The sheriff's department is required under state law to release video and other details of the incident, but at first they resisted. Then Monica Price, a legal fellow with the First Amendment Coalition, got involved. She says the sheriff's claim that the incident didn't cause severe injury is silly.
I feel like it's a little deliberate on their part. I mean, they had this information. We got this information from them. They had this deposition transcripts. They know what happened with the lawsuit. They could have, flipped through these deposition transcripts, seen that their own officers are saying that this man was kicked, he was on fire.
Behind your back.
After stomping on him, deputies tased Young again, this time in the back. Then they took him to the hospital. Young was initially charged with resisting arrest and obstructing an officer, but the charges were later dismissed.
I'm not trying to argue and fight with you, man. I'm just here for my son.
Price says the sheriff's department's initial refusal to release the video is unfortunately not unusual. There's been a pattern of resistance among police agencies ever since the law went into effect in 2018. So she says she and others must continue to fight on behalf of the public.
We wanted these records to come out so that the public can see them, decide for themselves if what they think happened was in line with department policy, if this was how department policy should be.
The sheriff's department wouldn't comment on the incident or why the video wasn't initially released. Claire Trageser, KPBS News.
Put your hands behind your back. Jeez.